1000 of 25 volt capacitor, 100 ohm resistance, resistance one side connecting with capacitor negative side, .5 mm LED, LED negative side connecting with resistance other side, transistor BC 547, transistor collector pin connecting with LED positive side, connecting a wire with transistor emitter pin, .1K resistance, resistance connecting with capacitor positive side and transistor emitter pin, .12 volt supply, transistor BC 547, .5 mm LED positive side connecting with transistor collector pin, .25 volt 470 UF capacitor, capacitor positive side connecting with transistor emitter pin, capacitor negative side connecting with LED negative side, 4.7K resistance, resistance connecting with capacitor positive side, .12 volt input current, .7K resistance, 220 UF 25V capacitor, capacitor positive side connecting with resistance, .5 mm LED, LED positive side connecting with resistance, 1K resistance, 1K resistance connecting with LED negative side, 1K resistance other side connecting with capacitor negative side, LDS sensor, LDR one side connecting with 4.7K resistance, LDR other side connecting with 1K resistance, .3.7 volt input current,